like M and Jay-Z.
What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades. And how did you like that intro? Eminem and Dr. Dre are both Bitcoin Renegades. You heard it here first. Today is a good day for crypto, even though, you know, it's still kind of sideways. I just want to let everybody know that I am turning over a new leaf on my channel. We are just going to give you full of positivity about crypto. Because honestly, I had to think back of why I first got back into crypto and why I got back into Bitcoin. And if I still believe the exact same thing that I believed when I first got into it, right? Do I still believe Bitcoin's going to 112,000 or a million like when I first started? Well, yes. Okay. Do I think that could happen within 10 years? Yes. Well, okay. So what am I worrying about the short term for? That is what I'm trying to tell you here. So I never want to lead you guys in the wrong direction. And that's why I kind of struggled with this a little bit. And I was like, man, I want to make positive videos. I want people to know that the market is okay. Even if I'm not 100% sure, I want to bring that positivity out there for you and for myself. Because I need to hear it too. And I need to be in that mindset as well. So that's where I'm at now. And I know that Bitcoin has a positive future. And I know that we will eventually go back up and have a new all-time high. I know that for a fact. That is going to happen sometime in the future. 100%, Bitcoin will go to a new all-time high one day. Whether it be in the next week, month, year, or 4 years. It will, in that time, go to a new all-time high, 100%. Unless something crazy inevitable happens. That's not going to happen, though. 100% Bitcoin is going to a new all-time high. Whether it be, like I said, in a short or a long amount of time. Now, this is another positive thing. Ethereum is still up almost around the $4,000 range. Why is this important? Well, if you look back, you can see that this is a crucial level for Ethereum going all the way back for a long time. Weeks, months, years. No, but at the first part of this rally, but look where we are. You see that? We're basically right at the old peak, but not the peak of the old peak. We're right below the old peak where we had a little bit of support here before falling, right? So right now, I think this old peak is now our support. We hit resistance right here before. We had a little bit of support going down, and I think that's what's giving us so much support over here at 3,900. Because that's the level we always go back to. If we go back down to 35, we go back to 39. We go up to 43, we go back to 39. So, and I'm here to say the same thing about Ethereum, guys. It is not over. We're gonna see a new all-time high with Ethereum. It just is a matter of when. Short-term holders, you might not be able to make a lot of money in crypto right now unless you day trade or leverage trade, which I don't recommend. I do recommend day trading if you can. Like not on like FTX or any of those other ones or having other people do it for you. But if you buy Ethereum at 39, it goes to 43, you sell it, and then it goes back down to 39, you rebuy it. Boom, there's a nice profit and investment in the same crypto. Now I want to go to the crypto we first started out on, and that is Internetcomputerprice. So this keeps getting lower, lower, lower lows, okay? But now I wanted to see, because I didn't know about before this big pump, and I want to take a look at that now. So this could tell us where we have some support at this level, or where we, don't have support. Well, I was looking back over here, and it's kind of hard with my head in the way. Let's see, I got to minimize that so that, yeah, you can see all of it now. And so what I want you to see is you look at the top up here, above the price where it says Internetcomputerprice, it'll show the date now. Okay, so if you look back, January of 2021 and December of 2020 is when this came on either Coinbase or into existence. I'm not 100% sure which one that is. I think they came around right around here into existence and had a partnership with Coinbase. They're at 973. So that's when the company first started out. And then it had these levels. Let's look. Okay, 15, 16, 11, 2098. Okay. 2446. Okay. 2384, 2308, 1873. Okay, we have a bunch of these right here. So there's definitely some support, some serious support at these levels down here from the very beginning, and people that probably are not going to sell anytime soon. Or if they did, they probably sold way up here and they're already gone. But the people that held from back here, these are going to be our major support levels for the future. And what we're doing now too. That's why I'm saying internet computer price could be the biggest gainer of all time, especially if you can get it at $22.88 in a bull market, even a bear market within a bull market. Because we're not in a bear market. We're in a bear trend. I concede to that. Okay, the bear market scenario is 38,000, and I know in one of my videos I was like, yeah, we're in a bear market, bear market, bear market. But what I meant is a bear trend, and I think I explained it in that video too, but I don't think it's going to last. And like I said, let's look at the long term. We don't need to think about the short term. We need to think about what crypto is in general. It's being massively adopted by the whole world right now, and it's going to even more coming into the future. The last year has been more adoption in crypto than the last 10 years. That tells you something. We have grown more in the last year than we have in the last 10 years when it comes to crypto. That is huge, guys and gals, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. And okay, there's nothing to earn today, but yeah, things are just looking good in crypto. The graph, it's not at my 88 cents, but at least it's holding strong at 63. It went to 67 there. It looks like it's still holding pretty good. This is why I always like the graph. Even though we are at these low prices, this is one of the only ones that's up right now. Let's look. Okay, 5%. Well, if anything is... Yeah, it's on the top movers list as a positive. Unlike Uniswap, who couldn't sustain it, IOTX that couldn't sustain it, CRV couldn't sustain it, Track couldn't sustain it, XYO could. And they are up 18%, even more than the graph. Look at that. So 3.73. Nice. So things are looking pretty good when you look at the all-around just of crypto, right? Now, 3 cents would have been the perfect time to buy this. I wish I would have been looking at it. Yeah, 3.5. Oh my goodness, that is such a good price for this, because look, it was just at 7 cents up there. So basically more than half of it's gone. And this is still a decent price to buy at, because we're still down 20% this week, or this month. Sorry, we're up this week on this now, but... yeah, so that's what I wanted to talk about today. I hope you liked that beginning. That was one of my favorite things to do. I just figured it out today, and let's see who else we can make a Bitcoin Renegade. All right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye, and good Bitcoin. Bang!